Another interesting topic is sorting a list. This is one of the most useful method. So if we have, for example, I have a list of these numbers, okay? So I want to sort it. Now, it will sort the original list. Keep in mind, huh? So it is not going to make a copy or is not going to make a new list. It will sort the list itself. And if I said print A, and you will see that it will print the sorted list of A. Do you see that? So sorting is -100 is the lowest one, and then -5 and 4, 5, 5, 23. So it is sorting the original list. Now we do have another one that is what we call sorted. There's another method, sorted. It will take the A as an argument and it will produce a new list. Okay. So this sorted function will produce a new list, new sorted list. Okay. And then if I say, can you please print B? So you will see that the B is the one that is sorted. Okay. So yeah. So the original will remain intact. So if I say print A, you will see that A is intact, and the B is the one that is a new list which is sorted. Now, um, we do have some functions, okay, some built-in functions that you can use with the sort. You can use with the sort, and also you can use with the sorted method. So some functions are available. So for example, we have some example of key functions, which is string.lower. It will convert everything into lower, and then it will do the sorting. And similarly, it will convert everything into the upper, and then it is capitalized. So first it will convert, and then it will sort. So let's see if I have some like um, some alphabets. So I have a Z, and then we have comma, and then Y, comma, M, comma, A, comma, small a, comma, B, comma, K, capital K. So like we are having these kind of functions, S, for example. So I can just put them into character. So now what we're going to do is I want to use a sort function first. And I say I want to sort, okay, A. So A dot sort, it will print A. We don't have any B, so we'll remove it. So it will sort the A, and then I will use the print method to see whether it is sorted or not. Before sorting, if you want, I can print before sorting. Okay. So printing before sorting, and then reprinting after the sorting. So I can just run it, and if you see that, we have so this is the original one, and this is my sorted one. Okay, sorted from lower to higher. A is always a lower than capital A. This is 65, and I believe this is numeric in value 60 is 97, something like that. Then we have K and V. So all capital A to Z they are smaller than the small letters A to Z. Okay, so in values, these capital values are the smaller one. So that's why. So if you see, it's sorted. We do have a value. We say reverse is equal to true. Okay. So in this way, the new will be sorted in a reverse order. Okay. So this is my original. If you see that, this is the original one, and this is my sorted one. So sorted in reverse order, the small z is the highest number, so it will come first, and then y, k, a, they are the smallest one. So we can pass on the argument, true is equal to reverse. So it will be like that. Now, similarly, I can do the same thing with sorted. Okay, with sorted. And then I say I want to sort A, and then I pass the variable this one, and I say I want to store the result in B. So now it will sort A with this method, and it will put it into the B. And if I print both A and B after the sorting, you will see that A is remained same, intact, and then B is the one that is modified. So you see that? A is intact and B is the one that is sorted in a reverse order because my reverse is true. So this argument is available for both method, the sort and the sorted. Now, if I say, okay, can you please do me a favor in the sorted, I say key is equal to str.lower. So what it will do, and then reverse is true. So it will convert all the values to lower, okay, before sorting. So I can just clear the screen. I can run it again. Now, if you see that, it converted all lower alphabets to lower. So that's why the small a and the capital A are coming together. Similarly, small k and capital K are coming together because it converted everything to small. After Z, we got a Y. Why? Because it converted into small for the sorting purposes. And then it saw after the sorting, it just bring it back the original value. So this is how. Similarly, I can use the upper. So before sorting, it will convert the value into the uppercase, and then it will sort like that. So let me clear this. Let me try again. And now you see that it converted everything to capital, and then it sorted the value. So we have almost similar result. If I remove this one, if I remove the true part, and then I have sort this one with this parameter, so it will sort as per our. So AA, now it's a reverse, the ascending order, and then B and KK. So what it will do, it will convert everything to capital for the sorting purposes, and then it will keep the original values. So that's it. So we have done this sorting part. We do have okay, now we have a list. If you see here, I have a list of I have two-dimensional list, and now I want to sort this list. So the output is sorted my list, which is my sorted my list. Okay, and this is what I want to say. Key is max. Okay, and so I want to print the out. So see what we have, or what we get in from this multi-dimensional list. And if you see that, we got the maximum value of the list in a sorted order. Okay, so if you see, okay, it sort the element based on the maximum value inside them. So what is the maximum value inside them? The maximum is 15. Okay, so if you see here, the maximum is 15. So based on this value, it will sort, but it will sort in an ascending order. So the maximum value is 15, which is the lowest. That is why it comes first. The next one is the lowest value is 25. So it comes second. And the third one, sorry, the maximum value. The maximum value is 15, and which is the lowest in all these So that's why it comes first. Then we have a 25, which is the lowest in this part. And then we have 35. The maximum value is 35. So it will come at the end. So this whole group comes as per the 15, 25, and 35. Okay. Similarly, if I just go for the min, you will see that it will look for the minimum value. Whichever has a minimum value, that will comes first. If you try again, you see here, the minimum value is 15. So before it was looking at the maximum value. Now it's looking at the minimum value is 10. So it comes first. Then we have 15, and then we have 25. So this becomes the last one. So yeah, that is how we try to, we can sort the multi-dimensional list like this. Similarly, you can add one more what you call argument, that is reverse is equal to true. So now we should be having 25 in the beginning, and then 15, 20, 35, and the 10, 15 should be at the end. So that is how we are sorting in a descending order with the help of key is bin. So that's it from the sorting.